Here's how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. Now, I would recommend opening up the YouTube app. I find, the easiest directly in the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android. But if you're on a computer, just go to youtube.com. Now, there are two different ways to be able to create that playlist. The first way is you can navigate to a video. So tap on You at the very bottom right. And from here, you can either create the playlist and then dump videos into it, or you can go to a video and then create a playlist for that video. I find it's usually easiest to just tap on playlist. Let's hit view all here. You'll be able to see all of your playlists at the top right. You can tap on those three dots, hit create new playlist. Now from here, I'm gonna say this is trash. And then on here, I'm gonna make this playlist public so that all of my followers or subscribers can see. I'm gonna hit create. The nice thing is it automatically brings me in to add the videos to that playlist. So let's just hit add videos in here, and I'm gonna just type in Trevor Nace trash and hit search. Now on any of these different ones, I can just hit save to playlist, etc. When I'm ready to go, I can hit the back button. And you can see now this is trash is my new playlist. It's a public playlist, 2 videos on here. I can tap on the little pencil icon. I can add a description, change the visibility, voting, etc. I can even change, if I wanted to, that little thumbnail picture I can choose from the library, take a photo or create with AI. And of course, I can tap the download button, which is a great option as well. I can download all of that playlist for offline watching, or anybody else can as well.